Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lowa, local and long-distance movers near me. Our moving firm has expertise in handling long-distance shifts and have handled thousands of shifts in the past 20 years. Our movers are trained in handling all types of products and utilize special tools to prevent any damage or wear and tear. We have also qualified teams of movers that can navigate your shifts and make sure to provide easy shifting experiences. So if your move involves more than 50 kilometers of distance, it will be considered as a long-distance move, and all legal formalities will be fulfilled by our expert. For local moving, it's always the best idea to hire a professional mover, i.e. 3 movers, as we provide same-day shifting for local moves and cater to all the requirements that have been made during the transit. Whether you're planning to move to a completely new location in your town, planning to move just across the street, in each case, we'll make sure to have the best arrangement for you. From relocation to shifting important and fragile belongings, we take care of everything while keeping the minutest details in mind. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lowa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.